What's up? It's your girl Bree. Ooh, it's your girl Bree with the first video. And how are y'all today? I'm doing good. You know, your girl is glowing in the red. But I don't know. A lot of people will be wondering who do my eyelashes, and I do them myself. Now, don't get me wrong, bruh. Like, it took me time. Your girl was walking around looking crazy for a good little minute. A good little minute. But today I'm just giving you all like a little tutorial on how I do apply my lashes onto myself. These are not individual, these are the strips. I actually started out doing these by hand, and then I started realizing like that I wasn't putting them on right. Like they was either too high or it was just something. But so I started using tweezers. Now I'm to the point where I can't even use tweezers no more. I can only use my hands. So I'm going to show y'all. I'm probably do like one eye with tweezers and one eye with my hand, if I can do that. If I can. So, but before we get into this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And point your friend, your cousin, your aunt, your uncle, god dang, everybody to your girl channel, because I would love the support. It would mean the most to me. Now, let's get into the video. So, first, I have this glue. Y'all can't really see it, but I have this glue. It's the hair glue that people use like for wigs and stuff. I wouldn't recommend that you use this. Some people go into the store, like myself, I go and get the eyelash glue. It comes in the same container like this, but it's like $3.99. But apparently when I went to the hair store to go get some eyelash glue, I couldn't find the kind that I usually use. So I had to just settle with this because I had fell off on some lashes for a moment because I love my natural eyelashes. So, hold on. Let me get it right, y'all. But I couldn't find the eyelashes the eyelash glue that I usually use. I just settled with this. I hate using this because it just dries too quick. I think somebody's gonna come home and mess up my video. Watch. I'm not ready yet. But I'm sorry, y'all, for the interruption. Said somebody wasn't gonna interrupt my video, but I'm gonna potties on real quick. Me and the fam actually about to go out to eat, but this is with my right hand. So you're just gonna try to put it as close to your real eyelashes as possible. Some people have to widen their eye, but see me, I just put it on there. And then I take the tweezers and I just take my end in and just apply. Now, I have difficulty with the tweezers, y'all. I swear I do. So I just take my hand and do it like that. think it's on, y'all. I can't really see for real, but it feel like it's on. So if it's not, I'll fix it. But y'all get the concept. I just put it as close to my eyelid as possible. It's still a little cute though, so I might have did it right. I usually look in the bathroom mirror, so I'm using my light and my phone. So we're gonna do the next one. We try to use the other one with tweezers. So we're gonna just apply your glue and try to put your glue like on the top of the. Y'all do not laugh at my, but try to put your glue like at the top of the eyelash first. You know what I'm saying? And just put a little bit on the back here. Okay, so. Oh, I said I was gonna use the tweezers for this one. Y'all, this is probably gonna be so hard for me because when I tell I don't use these, I really don't use these. But see, like I can't use them, y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna have to fix this one, but y'all get it. Y'all get the concept of it. I hate using tweezers, so for real. Like, it just don't never do right for me no more. So I choose to really use my hand. But everybody's different. Everybody's different for real with it, so. That's how you supposed to look. You're supposed to, you know. And I check by, looking up, see I gotta fix this one, but they're on there. Hey girl, look cute. So I hope this helped other people, other women like me, beautiful, chocolate, light skin, white, anything. I hope it helped. I hope I was able to give a good tutorial. But we're gonna get ready to end this video. Like I said, you guys like, comment, and subscribe to your girl channel. And I hope that this was very helpful to other women. And I really hope that you all enjoy the rest of you all's day. Your girl about to go grow up, so I'm out.